Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is the last video until Monday when we open up our new site here at Milestone. New and improved. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. It's going to be full of tools and toys and gadgets and money-making tricks and everything you need to be in the market. So with over 103 training videos that will be coming into the site also, you will learn everything you need for the future. All right. Also tomorrow is the last day for the lifetime membership, $6.99. Then it'll go to a whole new payment program. So this is it, folks. I'd like to welcome all. I think there was about 115 people in the chat room today. Membership has exploded. Everybody's doing outstanding. The options portfolio is probably about a 17,000% right now. No, that's not a joke. It's all tracked live. We have all the sheets from day one, and they're all inside the chat room, underneath the chat room, and we update it every night. We have a few more left, and we're going to release a new one on Monday. Monday or Tuesday, we're going to release a new portfolio. So for the options for some swing trades. So make sure you're in there. We're going to get right into biotech. Okay. Oh, by the way, the lifetime offer is $6.99. You can't beat it. Are you kidding? For a lifetime membership? You're going to make that in a day with us. Our scans and tools are just amazing. All right, let's get into some of these bios. It's been absolutely crushed and beautiful, beautiful moves if you are trading these today. But, what you want to do is wait for the bottom. Be patient. Gilead yesterday, everybody was like, all right, let's get the bounce. And, it wasn't time for a bounce, okay? These things need to settle down a little bit and find their comfort zone. After they find their comfort zone, then we're going to be fine, but don't rush it. If you don't chase this trade, if you're chasing this trade right here, if you're chasing this and saying, oh, I'm gonna, it's gonna bounce, or I'm gonna ride it all the way down, or whatever the case may be, you're buying down here, all right? Don't focus on that. Focus on what you can make on it. Okay, so you're gonna buy the bottom. So where's the bottom here? All right, we're gonna look at three real quick. Actually four. I'm gonna look at Gilead too, and Guild or whatever it is. But let's take a look here. So yeah, it bounced. Yes, it came up to the middle Bollinger Band and above it on the daily. So do you think that's good? Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. But if you notice, the selling is just astronomical. Okay, this thing has taken a dump. It's down 16 bucks. It was down probably about 20 bucks today, maybe a little bit more. Wait for the gap fill, folks. Okay, just sit there, relax, be patient, and then you're gonna make all this money on the back on the way back up again. Okay, it's just a reset. That's all. Look at the relative strength index up at 70. All right, no big deal. You buy at 70, and it's that simple. So when it gets down to 30 again, wash, rinse, repeat. Same thing. You're going to get a nice little hammer like you did here. You're going to get it down here, and you're going to ride it all the way back again. It's that simple. So what I'm looking for this one is 310. Okay, sit patient. Join us, because if 310 doesn't hold, we know where the next position is. So join us and check it out. All right, BIB is another one. They all bounced back a little bit today, but did this one make the 50-day moving average? Nope, it didn't do it. Now, why are people buying and saying it's going to go back up? Everybody's yelling and screaming that it's going to bounce. Yeah, it's going to bounce, but not yet. All right, not yet. Patient. Find your zone. What are you comfortable with? Well, this didn't. This double bottom is held so far. Okay, but you're under the 50-day moving average. So is that where you take a starter? Not me. Not with a candle like this. Okay, not when you have your stochastics dumping. Not when you have your relative strength index going down about 30 other indicators. Am I going to take a position here? No. I'm not, because the relative strength index isn't at 30 yet, okay? And I'm just talking about these two double bottoms here. But what I will do is I'll wait for this gap to get filled. Oh, yeah. I'll wait for the gap. Why not? I'm in no rush. $18 more. Bring it. $18 more. Then I'm going to ride this puppy all the way back to the upside, okay? It's that simple, all right? IBB. Everything has something for you, okay? IBB. Here you look at same thing, okay? They leave you the marks on the charts, okay? But what I'm not telling you is what's on the weekly, monthly, this, that, and all these other indicators, okay? I'm not giving you the answer right here. This is not the answer. The answer is when it happens. Is it going to happen? Is it there? All right. So that's why you have to be part of our community. All right. Because we're going to tell you. And I can tell you one thing, it's going to be a huge bounce to the upside when it's ready. All right, and when we find the bottom, we're going to be there for it. All right, Netflix. You know what? I like Netflix only for the bounce. Okay, we broke this, we lost it. It's junky. It's junky looking. Okay, it's settling down right here. It has to get over this middle Bollinger Band. This line's no good anymore. Okay, we need a new candle here. But don't count it out yet, okay? Because it's not dumping. It's not dumping. It needs a bounce. It needs a healthy bounce. Will it get up here? I don't know. Will it get right here to the 50-day moving average? If it does, it's $30 from where it is right now. All right. So stick with us. We're going to be monitoring this one because we are going to catch it. But I can tell you, it is going much, much lower. Okay, I've said it from the top all the way down, just like Google. Google's going to bounce, right? I told you Google was going to bounce, all right? And where is it now? Look at that. Where's my goal? 450. What did we do? We hit the 50-day moving average. I said if we broke this, we'd hit the 50-day moving average. You're talking about 500 to 541. You're talking about a $42 move, all right? I gave that to you. That's been in every video just about, all right? That was the trade. Now what do? You join and find out. We'll tell you. All right, IBM. Told you. How beautiful is that? Okay. I mean, we broke the 50. I mean, we broke the middle. We broke the middle here, middle Bollinger Band. We broke this, all the stuff that was in the way right here for resistance, and we're up at the 50, sitting here. Tomorrow's decision day. But I'll tell you one thing: relative strength index at 53. Half the move has been made. Okay. So where's the other half? The other half is right here at the gap close. All right, on a nice hammer to the upside. Boom. And that's at 180. Simple process, folks. I'm telling you, it's a simple process. All right, make sure you have until tomorrow to join the $699 lifetime membership. That's it. You'll never have to pay another thing ever. The whole site's yours. Everything in the site is free. All right, there's nothing that we're restricting. There's no surprises later on. There's nothing. $6.99, and you're with us forever. You're going to learn more in a week than you've learned your entire stock market career. All right, this is Matt. Enough about this. Have yourself a very, very Merry Christmas. Enjoy your family. Enjoy the time to relax. And we will see you on the other side.